Air travel in 2026 isn't what it used to be. Airports are faster, smarter, and more automated, but that doesn't always mean easier. Behind every boarding pass and security checkpoint, airlines and airport authorities have quietly changed the rules. Some of these changes are obvious, like new fees or baggage limits, but others are hidden, and they can ruin your trip before it even starts. Technology is now at the heart of airport operations. Facial recognition, automated ID scanning, and biometric security checks are everywhere. They promise efficiency, but they also open the door to mistakes. A small error in your passport, your boarding pass, or even the way you carry your electronics can trigger delays or extra charges. And most passengers don't even know these systems exist until it's too late. Then there are the airlines themselves. Overbooking, hidden fees, and new restrictions on carry-on items have quietly increased over the past few years. Some rules differ from airport to airport, or even gate to gate. What's allowed in one terminal could land you in a long security line or get you flagged in another. These secrets are designed to maximize airline revenue and make sure you never travel the same way twice. By the end of this video, you'll know 12 hidden airport secrets that most travelers will never hear. Each one could save you money, time, or stress, and a few might even prevent a travel disaster. But beware, missing just one could cost you more than you ever expected. Secret number 3, the arrive 3 hours early rule is now mandatory. Airports in 2026 are enforcing early arrival like never before. Staffing shortages, new automated systems, and stricter security protocols mean that even arriving 2 hours before your flight can leave you in long, unexpected lines. Some airports now have automated checkpoints that close temporarily without warning, forcing travelers to wait or risk missing flights. What used to be a comfortable buffer is now the bare minimum. Ignoring this can turn a stress-free morning into a frantic dash, and airlines aren't going to extend any sympathy. They expect you to know the rules. Secret number 4, carry-on bags are being downsized without notice. Airlines have quietly installed automated bag sizers at gates. Bags that used to pass now fail, and passengers are forced to pay hefty fees or check them at the last minute. Even your perfectly legal backpack can suddenly be too large depending on the gate staff or airline policy. This isn't random. It's a deliberate way to generate extra revenue. Travelers who arrive thinking they're compliant are often shocked when they're asked to pay or adjust their bag on the spot. What's worse, these rules vary by airport, leaving no consistent standard for savvy travelers. Secret number 5, power banks and electronics can get you flagged. In 2026, your gadgets aren't just personal, they're potential security triggers. Airports have increased scrutiny on power banks, batteries, and even some charging devices. A small or low-capacity battery in your carry-on can suddenly draw attention, leading to delays, bag searches, or even confiscation. Travelers report being pulled aside mid-security for something as minor as a loose cable or an unfamiliar device. Airlines and airport security rarely announce these hidden rules, so what feels routine can instantly become a stressful experience. Secret number 6, the liquid rule is still a trap. Many travelers assume the old 3.4-ounce limit has relaxed, but it hasn't. In fact, enforcement has become stricter at some airports, with bags being inspected multiple times. One bottle too large or an unzipped toiletries bag can trigger rescreening or fines. Some passengers have even had items confiscated that they assumed were allowed. It's a silent frustration that almost every traveler experiences at least once, and it's entirely preventable if you know the insider rules. Secret number 7, shoe rules are inconsistent and they can trip you up. In 2026, some airports have relaxed the old remove your shoes rule, letting travelers walk through security without taking them off. But here's the catch. This varies by airport, terminal, and even by security lane. One traveler might breeze through with sneakers on, while another wearing the exact same shoes gets pulled aside for extra screening. These inconsistencies aren't mistakes, they're part of evolving security protocols. For you, it means there's no guaranteed shortcut, and assumptions could cost you valuable minutes or even your flight. Secret number 8, overbooking is worse than ever. Airlines are taking advantage of overbooking strategies more aggressively than before. While you might think your confirmed ticket guarantees your seat, the reality is different. Airlines calculate no-shows carefully, but even with early check-in, you can be bumped if a flight is full. Travelers are increasingly being offered vouchers or last-minute rebookings, but the inconvenience, misconnections, and stress are all very real. What's hidden from passengers is just how much overbooking has intensified since 2025, making boarding a gamble even if you follow every rule. Secret number 9, seat selection fees are a hidden trap. In 2026, airlines have refined the art of monetizing seating. While you may think picking a seat is a standard part of your booking, many carriers now charge extra for preferred seats, even for families traveling together. Some systems intentionally separate passengers, encouraging you to pay more to sit with your group. The worst part, these fees aren't always disclosed up front and vary depending on the airline, route, or even the booking portal you use. Missing the secret can leave you paying unnecessarily, or worse, stuck away from your loved ones for hours. Secret number 10, small mistakes can deny you boarding. Airlines have become increasingly stricter about minor errors. A mismatch in your name, a forgotten middle initial, or a slight discrepancy on your boarding pass can get you denied at the gate. Even minor document errors can trigger extra scrutiny from security, resulting in long delays or outright denial. Travelers who assume everything is fine often learn the hard way that airlines now enforce rules they previously overlooked. It's a hidden risk that can turn a perfectly planned trip into a logistical nightmare in just minutes. Bonus secret, non-passengers can enter certain airport areas. In 2026, some airports have quietly implemented guest pass systems, allowing non-ticketed visitors to enter terminals. While this seems harmless, it introduces unexpected security complications. Guests moving through busy checkpoints can slow lines, trigger random screenings, or even cause gate delays. Travelers often assume that only passengers affect boarding, but the reality is that terminal traffic is now more complex than ever. This hidden change is largely unadvertised, and most flyers only notice it when their routine journey suddenly feels chaotic. By knowing these 12 secrets and the bonus, you're no longer just another passenger. You're informed, prepared, and ready to navigate the hidden world of modern airports. But remember, the moment you think you've mastered it, a new secret is always waiting.